Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the wiper blades. Here you are. This is the one that I'm gonna show you guys how you take it out. Just lift it first like this, and then yeah, then this part, as you see, a little bit bring through you, and just pull it down like this. This is the one. Pull it down. See? Slowly it's coming. See? Like this. After that, there is a hole right there. There is a hole that you're gonna take it out. It's right there. See? This is the hole. But whenever you're gonna put the new one, it's same way. You put it same way. This is the hole. Just put it in. Then go little by little, push little by little. As you see, this is the one. This plastic goes into this guy. So push it, and yeah, let's push it a little bit more. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Not. Sorry, it's right there. It's already right there. Just push, and so this is the inside. As you see, one more time, like you're pulling down, and then there is a hole that just take it out and put it inside bag, whatever you new one, and then as you see, this plastic things goes onto the right there. See, right there, and push it. That's it. That's it. Yeah, this is the way it is. And we can try it this way too, like, and just bend it this way and pull it down and take it out. And whatever you're putting the new one, just put it this hole, and this underneath this guy, this goes right there. See, and this time push it. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. This is a simple way to change to your wiper blade. Alright. Okay, good luck guys, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.